Good morning, y'all. Ooh, we got some spots. Not feeling too good this morning, man. But we gotta do it, gotta work for y'all. Let's go. We got this vintage 1996 Dallas Cowboys, made in USA. Little practice jersey, nothing on the back. Super good condition. Might scoop this for the homie. Okay, this is probably the most vintage t-shirt I've ever found. First one that I've actually found of Grateful Dead that I'm gonna pick up. But look right there. 1966. Nothing on the back, but for sure scooping this. Only $6? Yeah. Just came across this Polo jeans long sleeve. It just got like that army vibe. That's why I think it's tight. And they're only asking for $3. Might scoop this. We'll see. Found these Polo Sport swimming trunks, but they're asking for $10. That's way too taxed on. Pass. Good morning, y'all. Just got to the Thrift Wednesday. Let's go. We got this Champion duffel right here. New age though. Pretty cool, but it actually has like a hole in the back, so gonna pass on this. Yo, dang, that sky's looking crazy. I mean, look kind of tight though. We with the boo-boo. We at Goodwill. Let's go. Just found these new age Tommy Hilfiger shorts. Size small. Still kind of fire. They're asking for $5. It's got the little patch right there. Got this Chaps ruffler and zip up with a whole bunch of patches on it. Not too crazy. Dude, found this in the kids section. Women's size medium Polo Ralph Lauren vintage P sweater. Oh my god, bruh. Let's go. And they're only asking for $5. Let's go. Dude, you see Goodwill shining? They gave it to me for 50% off. It's supposed to be yellow tags are 50% off, but that tag was a white tag, and for some reason it marked it at $249. Originally it was $499. Your boy came up, let's go! Yo, sky looking crazy once again. Little change of pace today. I actually had a barber school like event today, so I didn't get to Thrift in the morning, but it ended early, and your boy got 2 extra hours. Closer to that diploma or certificate. But yeah, just got to the thrift store. Hair in my mouth, but I got my hair tie right here. About to put it on in a little bit, but yeah, let's get in the thrift, let's go. I actually just came across this. Surprised it's still here. People passed on it for $25. Vintage Elvis crew neck, made in USA. You see right there, it says 1993, and then it's got some screen print work on the sides as well. I'm gonna look this up on eBay, but I'm probably gonna scoop this up. This is really dope. Haven't been here in a while. Let's get in. We got this Nautica competition right here. Great prizes too, like got a couple stains on it. Found this vintage made in USA Calvin Klein crew neck in the size XL for $6. And then this vintage Polo zip up, taxing though. XL, they're asking for $13. Not even that tight. Picking this up though. On this Nickelodeon tee, 1994 vintage. And look what I found right here. Vintage Guess. Ooh, it just came off. Hold up. See right there, I've never seen this type of stitching, but it is so clean. Rainbow? Vintage Guess crew neck in the purple. This is like a size large. Picking this up. Fish out. Let's go. Got these 2 BAPE shirts right here. Size smalls for women. There's no size tag. I say it's like a large for women. We'll see if I pick these up. Good morning. It is Saturday morning. Just got done cutting hair. Now with the boo-boo at Whole Foods because we about to grub. We hungry. Let's go. You know we had to pull up and get that blueberry and that oatmeal cookie. Let's go. Vegan nah. Shadows? Hirachis? Green drink? Fire. Everyone waiting for the Atmos Safari pack? Let's go, boy. Yeah, it was good, guys. Just got to, hold on. Let me turn up the music. Ain't getting no copyright up in here. Just got to Buffalo Exchange. Got a lot of things to actually sell, but we'll see if I find anything in there. I'll try to film like Super low key because I really can't film in there because they got mad at me last time. But if I find some fire, I'll try to record it for you guys. So let's go. Dude, so I just found this 80s Screen Stars Boston tee, super clean, and then a 1995 Grateful Dead with the raisins, and then right here, I think this is a newer one, but it's a reverse sweep champion hoodie. They're asking for 32. I might get that. Yo, let's go! Crispy chicken, onion rings, fries, and the Boo-Boo's lame protein style. Yo, we popping into Goodwill right now. Get it popping, pop, 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 pop. Let's go. All I found out here was 2 tees. The legend continues. Merle Haggard. Doesn't have a date on it though. And then a vintage tee. It just says body of work. It's a pretty cool t-shirt. Found this Y3 cardigan in a size medium for women. The back is kind of fire. I might scoop this, we'll see. Eating the boo-boo, always eating good. The chicken tacos, chicken quesadilla, the rice, a little bit of green sauce, that look kind of nasty. And then some more beef tacos. Carne asada? Let's go. Yeah, it was good, guys. Just got to a Nordstrom rack that I have never been to, so let's see if we can find some sneakers. I got these multicolored Adidas sneakers right here. They're actually super comfy. Look at the multicolor right there. Pretty tight. I actually managed to find a pair of Tommy jeans in here. Super fire, but then they're size 29. A little too small. Crazy though. Smaller size, but I found some Y3s. These are like a size 7.5. Man. We got a whole bunch of Tommy slides right here. These kind of look like the Gucci print, but they're super uncomfortable. Didn't think I'd be copping a pair of shoes today, but I just found the Nike Air Forces, the high tops, in a size 8.5. Dude, this is crazy, and they're only asking for $84. I had to scoop these for the resale. Never mind, these don't really go for that much. Unlike Flight Club and like Goat, they're only like 100 to like 120. Still crazy to find these in a Nordstrom rack. Dude, look at these Hyper Dunks. These are wild. Size 12. Ooh. Extra bright. Alright guys, so I just got home, but I wanted to show you guys everything that I found in this trip to the thrift. Let's start from the right side. You got a vintage Calvin Klein crew neck. This one is a size XL, made in USA. Very dope find. Right here for all you country folks. We got a vintage 1991 Merle Haggard concert tee. Says right there, the legend continues. Very cool screen print. If this does not sell, if no one wants this, this will go to Wasteland. The 3 Grailers are right here. This one right here is the very big P, size medium in women's. Very cool pickup from Goodwill. Yeah, that P is just, I wish this was a men's sweater. So fire. And then right here is the vintage Guess crew neck with the rainbow embroidered logo. Very crazy logo. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have saw that I posted this one. And then the grail of this trip to the thrift is this one right here, which is a vintage 1966 Grateful Dead single stitch, made in USA tee. If you look it up on eBay, you can search Grateful Dead 1966 t-shirt, and you'll see that there's a couple on there that have sold for like 300 plus on eBay. So very crazy come up. Will be for sale. Hit me. Alright, so as I said, I was gonna give these away. The custom Chanel Nike Air Monarchs crazy sneaker. Here's the other one. So both size 9.5, obviously. These are size 9.5. I'll announce the winner right now. So let's jump into the raffle. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm gonna load in the YouTube link right there. Loading all the comments. And now it's time to randomly pick. Oh, what up, bro? Oh, with the card. Time to randomly pick the winner. Let's go. Saint P. Fagion. This was a dope vid, and keep on giving us the great vids as always. Real talk, bro. Yeah. All right, man. So just hit me up on Instagram or my email, and then I'll get the shoes shipped out to you. Congratulations, Saint P. Fashion. Let's go. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this trip to the thrift, because we're the coziest channel in the game. Trip to the thrift number 62. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and you already know slogan. So let's wrap it up to the coziest in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good?